Okay, so let's continue with our topic dynamics, physics for engineers, video support. So we come to this one, problem 3. So due to a jaw injury, a patient must wear a strap. So here, that produces a net upward force of 5 Newton. A net upward force, tipakadto. Upward force of 5 Newton in his chin. The tension is the same throughout the strap. Sa gamit ito, the tension, inihirang ang mga tension. The same throughout the strap. To what tension must the strap be adjusted to provide the necessary upward force? So we have to analyze this in terms of force body diagram. So force body diagram is waray body, pwede tayo drawing ano mo chin kanang piso pero force na la kumbaga amin yung point ani mo chin. So you have a tensional force here, and you have a and you have a tensional force there. Okay. And then we put some so that is your tension. So pareho la ko ng tension, so therefore that is the same tension nga tanan. That drawing pareho la to nga tanan. So meaning this tension is equal to this tension. You have 2. Okay, in terms of T, and the angle in between here is a 75 degree. Tapos anong saring ang problem? May dani mo upward force nga 5 Newton, which is a resultant of this, which is 500 Newton. So ano man ito hiya? If your tension on both sides is 75, we can safely assume na aadahabot nga itimo, meaning 75 divided by 2. Pero pwede gihapon diri kita mag-assume sugad. Maybe I can have 2 solutions. Kitaan ko laha. Unahon ko na makuri. So 75, this would be yun lang. Let's say this is beta, and this is alpha. You know that your beta and alpha 180. So 180 is equal to beta plus alpha plus 75 degree. So meaning you can find beta plus alpha, which is equal to 180 minus 75. Beta plus alpha 180 minus 75, you would have 105 degrees for the addition of the angle. 105 degrees. And then we resolve it to y kay waray man x, di ba? Makikita nimo ani mo la kuno force dida is upward. So therefore your y axis is your x axis is 0. Kita niyo? The summations of, that's what the problem says. Kay an x man la, meaning summations of forces on x is equal to 0 yan. Kasi waray man kuno force nga on the x axis. 0 ya, pero maaram ka nga may dani mo t going to the right, t which is cosine alpha plus t minus this is t cosine alpha minus t cosine beta, because they are of the same t. So we can I don't know kung may makukuha kita din t cosine alpha plus cosine beta para kita makuha. So, pakadi kita summations of Fy is equal to 5 Newton. 5 Newton. And that is equal to T sine alpha plus T sine beta. Kailangan taan beta actually mas maupay ini anyway, sine beta you have 5, tanggalon tanay units, T sine alpha plus sine beta. Adi, that would be T cosine alpha minus cosine beta. So I think we can do it just like we did the cos cosine sin. We try. So pwede kita kumadto ha summations of forces. Summations of forces hakabugusan that is equal to 5 Newton, which is the square root of pwede tayo nira equal nga duha, which is T sine alpha plus sine beta, diba? And this is squared, tapos plus adiliwat T cosine alpha minus cosine beta, and that is also squared. So 5 squared, that would be 25. Then you would have a T squared, then sine squared alpha plus sine squared control Z 2 sine alpha sine beta plus sine squared beta plus T squared. Then you would have cosine squared alpha minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta, and then plus cosine squared beta. Okay, tapos we factor out T squared. T squared is equal to mag-uro sera sine squared alpha plus 2 sine alpha sine beta plus sine squared beta plus cosine squared alpha minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta, and then plus cosine squared beta. Yan na, ininganhin ini 1. Sige. Ininganin ini 1. Tapos, ini nganin ini 1. So, 1 plus 1. Tapos, ini nganin ini, I could factor out the positive 2. I could factor out the positive 2, and it will have sine alpha sine beta minus cosine alpha cosine beta. Kaya lang, medyo baliktad siya. Sin cos cosine. Pwede sin cos cosine, pwede cos cosine sin. So, uunahon ko adi. Meaning, ma-negative to ita akong magawas. So, that is 2 plus. So, 2 minus. So, 2 minus 2. So, mabaliktad. Mauunaan cosine alpha, cosine beta, minus sin alpha, sin beta. By that, I could have the sin cos cosine sin, cos cosine sin. So for cos cosine sin, negative abot nga, cos cosine sin sa pareho kanina, that would be a cosine plus. Cosine plus. So that would be a 2 minus 2 cosine alpha plus cosine beta. Okay? Sorry. Cosine alpha plus beta. Cosine alpha plus beta. So, your sum and difference of your angle. Anggulo-gulo. So, by that, go down pa, ano to? So, that is 25. Therefore, you have t squared is equal to 25 all over 2 minus 2 cosine, and then you already know what is cosine alpha plus beta at the start. That is 105 degrees. 105 degrees. So, yun sa pool. And therefore, you would have a t squared. Basically, you would have a t. Pwede kita ni mag 25 divided by 2 minus 2 cosine 105. And that will give you, tadang, a 9.93 in 3 significant figures Newton. 9.93 dito. 9.93. Tapos square root pa. So square root, answer, by that you would have a 3.15 Newton. Okay. So, actually, di ko alam din yung answer. Dire-diretso lang ako. Yun nga, parang nagki-quiz lang. O, parang nasali na kasi, sir, parang quiz. Sir, parang cannot answer. Hindi rin balita. Bangin na una, na-solve ko na yun. But again, sige, malaki na solve. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.